All right, let's look at Algebra 1, August 2018, question 18. And we're going to give you a math hack for this, a calculator hack. Obviously, if you know what you're doing, you're just going to subtract the 2, divide by 3, and on any calculator, you just graph that, go to your table, and look at your solution points. If a student doesn't realize that you can do that, there's a neat little trick you can do. If you go to a graphs page, choice 2, you can actually erase the equal sign. And you click choice 6 for relation. This will allow you to type in however you want it. So we can do 3y plus 2 is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 17. And that will graph the parabola for you. Now here's the thing, watch what happens. If you go to table, Control T, nothing happens because you didn't graph a function, you graphed a relation. So how do you get around this? And remember, I've said in other videos, I like to see the grid lines. What you can do is if you go in through geometry, so menu geometry, and pick points and lines, you can pick the point feature. And if you open a parenthesis, you can actually graph your points. So -2, 10, you would do -2, enter 10, and you can see that that's on the grid. Now, is that on the point, on the parabola or not? I'm not sure, so we'll check. If we go back into geometry, we pick point, select point again, we can try the next choice, which is -1, 7. And you just heard the bell ring, so just ignore that, please. You see -1, 7 is actually on the graph. So again, I'm thinking my first choice doesn't work, but keep going. 2, 3. So open a parenthesis, 2, enter 3. That's clearly on the graph. If we go for our last choice, 5, 5. 5, enter 5. That's also on the parabola. So we see that 1, 2, 3 actually lay on it, and your first choice was just off to the side. That tells us -2, 10 is not in the solution set.